Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to complete the W-8BEN form for your YouTube channel. If you logged into your YouTube channel, you may have seen this notice regarding US taxes. You may have also received an email message similar to this one indicating that Google is required to deduct US taxes from the payments to creators outside of the US. Now, it's important to submit your tax information in Google AdSense to avoid the standard 24% US tax on your YouTube earnings by completing the W-8BEN form. So I'm logged into my Google AdSense account. Go to the Payment section in the left side panel, and then click on Payments Info. You'll be brought to this page. Under Payments Account, make sure that you choose YouTube. Next, scroll down, and then click this pencil icon under United States Tax Info, and then click on Manage Tax Info. You'll be brought to this page where it'll display your last submission. If you've not submitted the form before, you won't see anything here. So you just click on Submit New Form to start the process of submitting your W-8BEN form. You'll see this pop up. Click on Start New Form. And then it'll just give you a warning message here saying that it could take up to 15 to 20 minutes. You just click on Start Form. You may be redirected to sign into your AdSense account again. So just log in and then click Next, and it will bring you back to your AdSense account. In this first section, you need to choose the type of account. If you're a self-employed individual or a sole proprietor, choose Individual. The other option is for registered businesses. Click Next. In this next section, you have to choose if you're a US citizen or resident. I'll choose No, and then click Next. In this section, you need to choose the type of W-8 form. In most cases, it will be the W-8BEN form, and then finally click Start W-8BEN form. In this section, enter your legal name here. In most cases, this DBA section will not apply. Here you need to choose your country of citizenship. I'll use this drop down and then choose Canada. Let me scroll down. In this section, you need to enter your foreign tax identification number. Now, it's important that you complete this if you're claiming tax treaty benefits. For Canadians, enter your SIN number or your social insurance number, and then click Next. In this next section, you need to enter your address, and then check this box down below if your mailing address is the same. Let me scroll down, and then click Next. In this next section, you can claim tax treaty benefits for a reduced US tax rate. Now, this will depend on whether your country of residence has a tax treaty with the United States, and you can check the link in the description section for a list of countries with US tax treaties. So in my case, Canada has a tax treaty with the US, so I'll choose Yes. I'll check this box, and then use this drop down. I'll choose Canada, like so. Let me scroll down. In this next section, you have to choose the type of US income and the corresponding reduced US tax rates for each of these types of US earnings. So I'll start by checking this box for other copyright royalties. Let me scroll down. I'll use this drop down. I'll choose the article and paragraph. And using this drop down, I'll choose the withholding rate, which is 0 in my case. And then I'll check this box. Next, I'll check this box for services. I'll use this drop down, choose the article and paragraph. And then using this drop down, I'll choose the withholding rate. Again, in my case, it's 0. And then I'll check this box. Let me scroll down. Next, I'll check this box for motion picture and TV royalties. I'll use this drop down, choose the article and paragraph, and then choose a reduced rate, which in this case is 10%. And then I'll check this box and then click Next. In this next section, I'll choose No because I do not and will not perform any activities in the United States. I'll check this box and then click Next. In the tax reporting section, I'll leave this as default for paperless. I'll read the agreement and then check this box and then click Next. In this next step, you can preview the PDF documents that are generated. You can click any of these links here to check the individual W-8BEN forms. For example, if I click on this link, it'll open the PDF document and then you can check the details. Let me go back and then I'll check this box and then click Next. In this step, you need to check this box to accept the declarations. Let me scroll down. This section is not applicable to me, but if you are claiming US taxes for prior years, you can check this box. In this signature section, choose this option if you are completing this form on your own behalf, and then click Submit. You'll get a confirmation if your W-8BEN form is approved, which as you can see is approved in my case, and it'll also display all of the US tax withholding rates. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.